like smoothies?
Yeah. I make a smoothie.
You guys don't, you like smoothies?
Yeah.
Okay, so what all goes into smoothies? Do you guys know what goes into fruit smoothies? Fruit. Fruit, yeah.
I want them in my cup.
All right, you want some in yours?
Yeah. I want them in mine.
Some in yours? Bring your cup back over here, Jack. We're gonna need some more fruits in there. And then what else? Do you guys know what else goes in smoothies?
Nothing.
What else goes in smoothies? Move your hand, Hudson. Okay. What else goes in smoothies? Do we need yogurt for smoothies?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Okay. Who's first? Who's first?
Mommy.
Yeah, you need yogurt for your smoothie.
And me.
And you? Okay. And then you guys know what else goes in
I
smoothies?
don't want my yogurt.
No, but here, you can have some of the frozen fruit out of there. Okay, you want me? And then we need milk for your smoothies. Hold on to your cup. Can you unscrew this part? Okay, you want me to turn it into a smoothie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it needs some milk. You hold on to that part. Okay, now the smoothie maker's kind of loud. Are you okay with loud noises, Jack?
Yes.
Yeah? We got a friend helping us today. Okay. So now.
No.
No?
No.
It's loud, yeah. Can you push it down?
No.
No? You want me to do it? You want to push it?
No.
No? You want me to do it?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. You gonna cover your ears? You guys ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be loud. How's that?
Butter.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
One.
Yay, you think? Uh-oh. Macaroni.
Ow.
You guys think? Do you think it's ready?
Yes.
You think?
Yes.
Oh.
Milk.
I think we might need a little bit more milk, guys. I think we might need a little bit more milk. Yeah? Okay.
Should be loud.
It is going to be loud again.
Oh.
Guys ready?
No. Cute.
Yeah, I think we got it that time.
More milk.
You think?
We got enough time.
Let's see. I don't think so. I think you're good. Okay, where's your... Jack's? Pick a straw?
Empty one.
That one? Okay.
Here under this one.
Yeah. Okay. This one Hudson's? Okay, guys ready? You ready for it to be loud? 3, 2, 1. think we got it.
No more.
I don't think so. I think we're good. Yep.
I do mine.
That is yours. Would you guys like your colored rings back on? You want them on?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. You can put it over your straw. Like this. Over top. Okay, can you turn it righty tighty?
No.
No? Hold your cup steady for me. Ooh, Mac, you want one too, huh? Good job. Hold your cup steady. Steady Eddie. Oops, sorry, bud.
Mine.
Yeah? There we go, Jack. Here, Hudson, put it down.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go.
Good job! Can you hold your cup? Hold the handle, buddy.
It makes you.
That was really good counting, Jack.
It makes you. Can I have this one back?
Yes, you may. Thank you for using your manners. And that is making smoothies with toddlers. I think they're a great way to get some fruits and veggies into the kids and making it taste good. Added bonus, I think the frozen fruit and like for babies to chew on when they're teething, they're a huge fan. I didn't have any pieces really left in here, but like the big long peach pieces, kind of big enough that the babies can hold it, but without rather than like the little pieces that they can like little pieces of strawberries that they can get in their mouth to choke on, but the big like long pieces of peach that they can hold and kind of gnaw on. Keep an eye on them, obviously, but it's a fun treat for everybody. Can you guys say thanks for watching?